everybody. We're at the Basic Coatings Workshop out here in Bowling Green, Ohio. And we're going to be doing some HyperTone stain onto these wood floors that we've been sanding and prepping this week. This color I've got going on today is one that Tim Nathan, our stain technician, created called Soft Gray. We're going to be putting this on a border in between birch. We're going to be doing a dark stain in between a birch border and then doing a raw stain in the middle of the field. So these are my three colors I use, HyperTone stain. I've got 18 clear base, 6 parts white, 2 parts slate. How I measured that, I took my largest form of measurement on these tablespoons and teaspoons, which any of you could do when you're at the job site or even at your shop making samples. And so what I did, on here you'll notice it has a little measurement. You got 15 millimeters per tablespoon. I'm going to double this up in 2 batches. So I'm doing 18 parts of that times 2. And I put that in, and then I did that 6 times. 6 parts of white, so I doubled that up. And then 1 part of slate, which I doubled up. And as you'll see here, as I stir this up, that pulls together. And beautiful thing with HyperTone stain, no smell, virtually no smell, no risk of fire, spontaneous combustion. I mean, we're doing these samples, man. All these rags going in a bucket. Don't have to worry about catching fire. Gonna roll this on, roll-on application, microfiber roller, and wipe up with terry cloth towels. I will say this right now: if you set any goal on your calendar, get out here this year, 2022, to the Basic Coatings Training Workshop. You can see out here what we've got going here. Guys are loving this, man. And on top of that, it's red carpet treatment, man. I mean, you got all the food you want to have. It is amazing. So plan on it. 2022, get you and your team or your company, invest in the time, get out here, learn what we're doing, and take your company to the next level. Basic Coatings, baby.